Come and jump. Like that. Like that.
Like, hello.
It's Saturday morning and we are heading out to the Keys.
Huh?
Yep, that's good. I'm going to lift the anchor.
Our Swiss friends, Caroline and Beat, rent a pier opposite to Plasencia on a Plasencia quay. It is deep enough for us to dock, so before we depart to the quays, we will fill up with fresh water and do the laundry.
So we pulled up to the pier successfully, and now the work starts.
Yeah.
Laundry. I'm making a coffee. Gonna take out the trash. Trash is out. Uh-oh. Chceš mi to dát? Play with. Okay, let me go start it. And you're gonna throw it here. And then you're gonna do the front one.
And the boat will leave.
Yeah,
You will drag me on the, I will just hold the rope behind the boat.
sounds good. Let's do it. Yeah. Do it. Pull on it. Yep, pull it. Perfect. Yep. Fast, 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 fast. Faster, baby. Don't pull it. Come. Throw it and come. Come and jump. Okay. Dělej. Skočíš. Tak to tam hoď. Já ti hodím tento. Pull me in again. Pull me in again. Pull it, don't pull it by hand, pull it over the... Yeah, no, that's too much. You need to pull it. Pull. Nope, I guess. Nope, just. Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You got that one? I throw the other one.
What is the depth over there? Do you think I can make it?
No idea, we never went over there.
I'm gonna try it.
Give it a try.
Yep.
King Lewey is an island 3 hours by sailboat northeast from Plasencia. It is a small 1-acre private key open to sailboats and walk-ins, so we decided to take a peek and stop there for a day before we continue north to San Pedro.
Zatahat úplně. Tahej. Perfekt. Můžu to zadělat tak.
Kde?
Nebo na druhé straně, můžu to zadělat na druhé straně.
Tak to?
Jo. No, zadělej.
A už teď zadělávat?
Jo.
OK, takže už to víc nemusí jít?
Ne.
To bylo pěkně špinavé.
Jo.
Se divím, že to tady mají. jsem to dala na první tak.
Normálně jsi to dala. Okay. Cool. Well, that was surprisingly easy. Yep.
Uj, to jsou ty si budoucí.
Good job, though.
Jsou to budoucí?
No, I think that's just garbage. Look, there's a bunch of garbage. Yay!
He had to go get a hat because he has hair now.
What are you talking?
Oh,
what are you
nice.
talking about?
Nice hat. Oh yeah, very
I had
stylish.
to get my hat because it's cold.
The tiny King Lewey Island is one of a kind.
No, ja. No, ja. No, ja. Do you remember me?
It has perfectly manicured grounds, is full of color, surrounded by crystal clear turquoise water. What makes it unique is the pirate theme. You see pirate mannequins with swords and hooks, treasures, skeletons, and a couple of chirping parrots. The most romantic place ever. Like, hello.
We're lucky enough. I mean, I think God loves us. God loves Belize because it's been such a small country with never like a bad storm or a hurricane. That I think God knows if He sends like a bad one, Belize is gonna be wiped out. Because it's such a small country. I don't think it can take too much. You know.
This is the sunset. It has the veranda going into the water.
Yeah.
The rooms they are separate.
Like that. Princess. Our plan was to stay only for one night before continuing to San Pedro, but we fell in love with the atmosphere of King Lewey and stayed 2 extra days to soak it in. It was a slight change of plans, but it is what makes the sailing life one-of-a-kind experience. You can plan all you want, but in the end, life takes over, and we love that.
Thanks a million for watching and make sure to subscribe.
That's the first one. I forgot to put coffee in there.